Hi guys, I'm Kelly Altschwager. I'm a certified ACE personal trainer and nutrition specialist here at Fitness One. I've been training here for about 6 years. Today I am going to take you through our new piece of equipment called the Booty Builder. This allows you to do hip thrusts with half the equipment and none of the fuss that you have when you're using a free barbell or a Smith machine. Our foot plate here allows for different placement to activate different muscles. We'll show you that. We have Jessica here. She's a member of Fitness One. She's going to be demonstrating how to use this machine. We're going to take you through single leg, double leg, foot placement for hamstring activation, foot placement for glute activation, and also the benefits of the bands that we have here and multiple ways to use them. So we're gonna have Jessica sitting here. Starting, we have our chart for height. If you're taller, you're gonna want this bench further back and this seat lower. Similar to the rest of our equipment, where all of our movement points are red, all of our movement points here are orange. So our bench, our seat goes up and down, taller if you're short, lower if you're tall. And then according to this chart and your height, you're going to lift this knob and move the seat according to your height. Jessica, do you know how tall you are? 5'5". So on here, that's going to put us at a 2 on the bench, and we'll put this at a 2 in this seat. There we go. So to begin, we're going to sit on the seat, strap in with our awesome padded buckle. The benefit of this also is it takes a lot of pressure off your pelvic bones. In the past, even with a pad, that Smith machine can be really painful as you're trying to drive up. This completely takes all of that away. So then you're going to start one foot up to get started, and then lift your second foot up. We'll begin with a hamstring focus foot placement. So our heels are going to be towards the end and our toes are going to be directly forward. We're going to lean back on our pad up here and lift our hips and then drive all the way up, having our knees almost at a 90-degree angle. We're going to lower down, nice range of motion, drive through our heels all the way back up. Nice and low, squeeze heel, hamstring, glutes all the way to the top. Beautiful. For a more focused glute activation, we're going to put our feet up just like we did before, except we're going to turn our toes outward and keep our heels a little further up. As you can see, she has them a little higher up. So same thing, we're going to start driving through our heels, heel, hamstring, squeeze our glutes all the way to the top. Beautiful. Once again, our 90-degree or close to, lowering back down, drive it on up. Beautiful. For your hands, the one thing you don't want to do, this is going to move, so putting your hands out here, your hands are going to lift with your movement. So you can either rest them back here, have them right here in the middle, or even down on the belt, wherever you feel most comfortable. You can load all the weight that you'd like to add right here to our bar, as well as the bands here. Another benefit of these is putting them on your thighs as you, and I'll have you do this. So we'll put them about midway through your thigh. And what this does is now forces the outside of your thighs to work as you drive up, keeping that band nice and tight. Perfect. We'll put our feet back up. Good. Yeah, and we'll drive up. Perfect. Last but not least, we want to make sure our chin stays tucked in as we go through our hip thruster. So we'll begin, keep chin in. So what this does is it keeps our posterior chain, our back through our glutes and hamstrings, engaged and back down. Good. And keeping that chin in the whole way through. When we let our chin go back, we open it all up and we weaken that chain.